My client was issued an order of protection by an immigration judge under the first Trump administration in 2019. The government chose not to appeal that decision, right? They simply released him and let it be. There's lots of legal steps. If the government really thinks that they have the evidence that my client is a gang member, which he's absolutely not, but if they think they have evidence that he is, there are lots of legal proceedings that they can go through to try to legally strip him of his order of protection. They didn't do any of that. They just put him on a plane. And by doing so, they've prevented the immigration courts from doing their job. We believe that if the government of the United States simply made a good faith request to the government of El Salvador to give him back, I expect that would be successful. Right now, it appears that the government of El Salvador does pretty much anything we ask them to do. We say jump, they say how high. Kristi Noem was inside the walls of that prison on Wednesday of last week. We filed this case on Monday of last week. We had our first scheduling conference with the judge on Tuesday of last week. So after the government was already on notice of this case, it was already on notice that they made this mistake, they sent Kristi Noem into that prison, but she didn't make any steps to bring Mr. Abrego Garcia back to the United States with her. That's what we're asking the judge to order.